Prince Chaudhary reporting live from lane number 7 Koregaon Park. The area has been excavated for pipeline work and is now close to traffic. The people coming in from the western intersection, Mundwa and other places will now be unable to use lane number 7 as the road has been dug up for pipeline work. The earth moving machine is being used. As you can see, there are pipes lying here, the concrete pipes. These are water pipes which will be installed in this huge cavity. Earlier the work took place here. This section was also dug up, and now as the work is complete, the road has been covered up, but resurfacing work is still pending. It has been covered with soil and mud. Vehicles coming in from Western have now to continue going straight down the North Main Road. They will not be able to enter lane number 7 due to this excavation work being carried on. Let me talk to one of these guys. ये कितना दिन चलेगा? कितना दिन चलेगा? हो जाएगा. So the contractors are saying that this pipe laying work will be complete today, and it will the hole will be sealed up so that traffic flow is maintained. People are still, two-wheelers are still managing to detour and navigate from the side. But four-wheelers will be unable to travel till the road work is complete, pipe laying work. ये पीने का पानी का है ना? अच्छा, storm water का है. So this is a drainage line. It is not a drinking water line. It is actually a drainage line, which was long overdue, because this area did not have either a storm water or a drainage line for a long time. So finally this work will be complete. As you can see, part of the pipe earth moving machine will do the work. The pipes will be fit today and the crater will be sealed. So traffic from both sides coming in from South Main Road and from western side can then use the road. The earth moving machine is now pushing the pipe towards the hole. What has been told to Pune Mirror by the contractors team is that the pipes will be laid today and the work will get complete. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror.